medication, you can take your medication using an inhaler, or this, a portable nebulizer from Med for Home. Independent studies have shown a nebulizer may be more effective and easier to use than just an inhaler. Impressive. It's like getting hospital-quality treatment at home. So call Med for Home today to find out more. Med for Home is a specialty pharmacy that's here to help you however they can. They'll deal with your doctor, the paperwork, even ship for free. And their pharmacists and respiratory therapists are available 24/7. What's more, your nebulizer and medications may even be covered by your Part B benefits. For better treatment at a much better price, call Med for Home now to learn how a portable nebulizer can help you start breathing better today. For more information, call 1-800-314-8013. America's morning headquarters with Sam Champion.
That's the morning forecast for the show.
AMHQ with Sam Champion, the Weather Channel's brand new morning show.
It is now 52 minutes past the hour. Time for the severe weather update. Storm specialist Carl Parker is standing by at the expert desk with the very latest. Another day of violent storms you're expecting, Carl.
Yeah, Vic, we are very concerned once again about the possibility of tornadoes and damaging wind and large hail. And let's begin with the Torcon values. For the Mid-South and the Deep South, Jackson, Mississippi is 7 out of 10. That is a 70% chance of a tornado in a 50-mile radius. 6 out of 10, Huntsville, Alabama. Notice the timing there. This is from the afternoon and through the evening. Then Nashville, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., a 5 out of 10. Then that severe threat is going to continue right into tonight. And take a look at some additional Torcon values. A 6 out of 10 in Birmingham. That is 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. And that, of course, can be very dangerous when storms strike in the middle of the night. Hopefully you have a way to be notified. In Atlanta, it's going to be 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Could be a very noisy start to the day. And Baton Rouge, 6 p.m. to 1 a.m., Torcon value of 5. So let's talk about what's happening right now. And unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of severe at the time. We do expect to see a lot more activity this afternoon. And I want to show you where there's been some very heavy rain here. Flash flood warning now in effect just south of Nashville. That's Maury and Williamson counties going until 1:30 in the afternoon. Then to the west of that, another flash flood warning for Hickman, Lewis, and Perry counties going until 12:15. And this is a look at the rainfall that has occurred in the last 12 hours. 3 to 4 inches from Nashville and on westward and along I-40. We are getting reports of some street flooding now, so please be very careful as you get out and about. Here's a visual satellite picture. Notice, if you will, the clouds moving along very quickly once again from Texas out into the lower Mississippi Valley. That's that very strong mid-level wind at about 10,000 feet, 70 to 80 miles per hour. And when you have that strong mid-level wind over top of a warm and humid low-level atmosphere, that can lead to long-lasting storms, very organized storms that rotate and produce tornadoes. And that really is the worry today. So here is the thunderstorm forecast, and the greatest threat for tornadoes is going to be here across parts of the Mid-South, Mississippi, and the Tennessee, parts of Louisiana. That is for this afternoon. And here is the high-resolution model forecast. I want you to notice how there are these individual cells. Those are the ones that are really dangerous. Discrete cells, we call them, supercell thunderstorms that pop up in that high-resolution model. They're parts of Mississippi and northern Alabama. Notice the timing. That's 6 o'clock this afternoon. And then we see more of this development even into the overnight hours, and those storms then making their way across central Alabama very late tonight and into tomorrow morning. So a severe threat again tomorrow across a lot of the same areas, but also farther eastward, and then that severe threat into the Carolinas and Georgia on Wednesday. So multi-day severe weather event. Nick, back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Carl. 58 million people in that severe weather threat tomorrow. And of course, if you've been watching the Weather Channel for any length of time over the past few years, you know the Weather Channel's been out in the field to help warn people about tornadoes and to show their power of destruction.
And this year, of course, no different in terms of our mission, but it is very different in another way. Our own Mike Bettis explains.
If you live in Union City, down developing, you have to take shelter now. Being out there in the field is a passion, showing people, the fury of Mother Nature sometimes and how violent it can be, keeping them prepared and safe so they know what to do when it comes. Guys, that's it. Right there. There's the tornado. We had initially witnessed the tornado and then had made a decision to try to away from it, if you will. The tornado was erratic. It had a lot of different movement to it. It grew larger, it grew stronger, and it just ended up overtaking us.
Everybody jump, go, go, go. Keep running. Keep going in standard. Everybody jump down. Everybody jump down. That was the scariest moment of my life.
It was a wake-up call. For the Weather Channel, our mission is a little different this year. That's really the thing, keeping people safe. And if I can't lead by example, then I'm not doing my job, which means that's being farther away from the tornado, and that's what I have to do. For us, it's always important to have a second set of eyes.